Now, if you look at the vast majority, if not all books of fiqh, you will find that it begins usually with chapters dealing with water, vessels that carry the water, and whether it is pure or najis, halal to use or haram. It deals with najasat, impurities, and it deals with mainly wudu. Why is so much emphasis placed on these things? Scholars say that the first thing a person will be held accountable on the day of judgment is his prayer. So if his prayer is valid, then all of the rest of his good deeds would be valid. And if not, then not. And this is why they put a lot of emphasis on prayer and anything related to prayer. Because if Allah would not accept your good deeds, as this is dependent on the validity of your prayer, in this case, prayer has a great importance in our lives, and hence we should take care of it. When we study fiqh, we should give it a priority. But by default, your prayer is invalid unless it fulfills the conditions. What conditions are there? There is the condition of purity, there is the condition of the time is due, the direction of the qibla, covering the awra, different conditions. So when it comes to purity, wudu is what first comes to mind. Yet, the scholars differentiate between two things in purity. So when they give the definition of purity, الطهارة رفع الحدث وإماطة الخبث, it even rhymes. Purity is the uplifting of the ritual impurity, which is either done by wudu or ghusl. We have minor impurity, major impurity, hadath. And this is second half, removing of the impurities that are physical. So for instance, your prayer is invalid if you know that there is an impurity substance on your body or on your clothes or on the spot you are praying on.